How to hide WhatsApp online status from others. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually hide your online status on WhatsApp from other people. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the WhatsApp application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. To hide our online status, just tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and then go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, you'll find all these various options. Just go ahead and select privacy. As soon as you select privacy, you'll see all this type of options again. At the very top, you can see last seen and online. So all you have to do is tap on last seen. Now over here, you can see at first you have who can see your last seen versus who can see your online status. So first of all, you have to select who can see my last seen to nobody. When you select who can see my last seen to nobody, you can actually see who can see your online status if you have either everyone or same as last seen. So when you select this as same as last seen and your last seen is set to nobody, your online status is also going to be hid automatically. And this is simply it. This is how you can go ahead and then hide your online status on WhatsApp from others. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.